What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video here, and I got a hobby box of certified racing in 2018. Blowout had these on sale, and then on their eBay store it was free shipping, so I ended up getting this box for, I think it was like 36 bucks. So not bad for a hobby box, when at retail 2 blasters are going to cost you 40 bucks, and you know, you're not guaranteed any autographs. A hit is 1 to a blaster, but chances are you're probably going to get a race use card. So at least you're guaranteed 2 autographs in here, and plus 2 mem cards. So I'm going to get busted here, see what we can find. This product does feature Haley Diggins' first autograph card, but it's going to be hard to pull one. These cards are very prone to fingerprints. So I got my good old latex gloves on here, and I'm going to try to save the autographs till last. I don't get to bust hobby too often, only when I see a box at a good price. I think the last hobby box I did was, I think, Fanfare. So there we go. We got 10 packs. I think there's 2 thin packs there. That might be the autographs, maybe. So I'll set them to the side. I think each pack is going to have a numbered card as well. So we'll get the break in here. Get my light here so you can see what we got going on. Okay, we got Cole Rouse. As you can see, it's almost like a mirror reflection. We've got Cole Custer. We got a decoy there. And we got a Chase Elliott numbered card. All certified team. That's nice. 00005 of 149. So that's pretty cool. I'll get that sleeved up. We got Kevin Harvick, Car Card, and Daniel Suarez. Let's see what I put my sleeves at. I need to get some more supplies. I'm out of thick top loaders. So that's a nice number card so far. Here in the early goings. See if we can get that Chase over here in the picture. Let me move that back a little bit. Okay, we got another Chase Elliott. Do we have a hit? I think we got a hit in this pack. So we'll go ahead and see what we got. We got a Chase Elliott car card. We got a Martin Truex. That's nice. Matt DiBenedetto. Jeremy Clements, and our hit is going to be Ryan Blaney. That is nice. I'll take that. 135 out of 499. Get that one sleeved up. Certified's been pretty good to me as far as what I've busted so far. I did some blasters, and they were really good, so I thought I'd try this product again. I mean, hopefully I can hit one of those purple cards. Those are really nice. I got the Dale Jr. off of eBay at a really good price. Here's Jimmy Johnson, Justin Haley, and And we got a decoy there. We got a numbered card here. I think this is Epic's. Kevin Harvick, nice. I think that's blue. 80 out of 99. I'm liking this break so far. We got Austin Dillon. And we got Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Loving this break so far. We'll sleeve up the closer there. So I'm liking the serial number cards we got. And the Ryan Blaney's nice. I've never pulled a Ryan Blaney hit out of the pack. So let's see what we got here. We got Nicole Bahar. That's how you pronounce that. I think we got another hit in here. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we got a John Hunter Nemechek purple out of 25. That's pretty neat. A limited card. I think the junior that I got was a mirror purple, I think, because it was different than this. There's Kyle Benjamin, Alex Bowman. The whole complete background of the card was purple, whereas there's a little foil right there. And our hit is going to be KH. That's telling me that this is a Kevin Harvick hit. Heck yeah. I'll take that in 4 pieces. Wow. And almost the last number card, 97 out of 99. Cleveland Card Connection. Are you watching this video? That is nice. $97 of 99. So let's see. Let me get a sleeve for that John Hunter Nemechek, since it was a nice parallel out of 25, 20 of 25. And we'll put Kevin up there, and we'll take Ryan Blaney down. So I like that card. Let's get to these others. We're almost halfway through the break. This is kind of thin pack. I hope the autographs. Okay, this is all. This will be all base, I think, and I think we got a numbered card. So that's a Richard Petty Immortals. I just got that one back signed. It's a nice one. Trevor Bayne. And our numbered card is going to be Cody Coughlin. Don't know a whole lot about Cody. I think that is that red? Red parallel. Wendell Chavis and Junior Johnson, Immortals. We'll sleeve up old Cody there. And we're halfway through the break. Let's see if we got, I think we got all base here. Casey Kane. Let's flip this around. Casey Kane there, not upside down. Kyle Busch. And we got a all certified team of Carl Edwards. That one is numbered out of 199, 128 of 199. We got Colin Cabber and Mark Martin. We'll sleeve old cousin Carl up there. Since he's a numbered card. That's what I like about certified. Pretty much everything that you're going to pull as far as parallels or hits are going to be numbered. So no guesswork. Let's see if we got, I think we may have a hit in that one, so we'll save that one until later. Maybe one of our autographs, because it looked like there was a backwards card. So Okay, we got Rusty Wallace Immortals, Cody Coughlin, who we seen in one of our parallels, and we got Skills, Kyle Larson, 26 of 199. Danny, you got that one? It's a pretty sharp looking card. It is 26 of 199. Did I say 126? It's 26 of 99. We got David Reagan and Reed Sorensen. So we got 3 packs left, and we haven't made it to the autographs yet. So we did a pretty good job at not revealing those yet. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got looks like maybe a green, maybe Cameron Haley, Joey Gase. We got Blake Koch, Immortals of Terry Labonte. Got to keep my stock from falling over. And I think this is either going to be, this might be a blue one. This is Ricky Steinhaus out blue out of 99. 39 of 99. So that's going to leave us 2 packs and 2 autographs. Hopefully we don't get no points or redemptions, but I guess that is a possibility. What do you think, guys? Should I go with the pack I haven't opened, or the one with the Jeffrey Earnhardt on the front? Let's go with the Jeffrey Earnhardt. We got Brad Keselowski, Jack Sprague, and Spencer Gallagher. Any predictions for who the autograph is going to be of? I think it's upside down, no. Okay, it's JB, Jeff Burton. And that is out of 75, 48 of 75. One card, so we'll get that sleeved up. I think old Jeff Burton is a nominee for 2021 NASCAR Hall of Fame, so it's not too bad. And then our last one. Let's see what we got here. We got Matt Kenseth. We got Martin Truex Jr. Skills. And that is out of 25. 7 of 25. That is nice. We got Tony Stewart, Ross Chastain, base. Who do we got, guys? Is it going to be? Oh my goodness. Danny, are you watching? Next, HD. Are you watching Danny's cards, or toys and cards? I'm getting all shook up because I think I know what this is. Haley Diggin. Holy crap. 62 of 210. Wow. Holy cow. I'm shaking. Wow. I got a magnetic out just in case I hit something great there. Woo! Now, I don't think that topped Danny's celebration when he pulled a Haley Diggin autograph. But, holy crap. Unbelievable. Look at that. I'm just stunned. I mean, got the Kevin Harvick there, and I mean, this is a nice Martin Truex Jr. out of 25, 7 of 25. I like Martin. Holy cow. And I don't have a Haley Deegan autograph. I know I talked to Danny about maybe sending in that hero card that they sent me along with the Derek Krause, I think it was. But holy smokes, 62 of 210. Certified next signatures. Holy smokes. That is going to do it for this video. I thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.